Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by gasoline. The exterior is a classic blue, complemented by a matching blue interior. The truck comes with a clean title and its 4x4 system is fully functional, as is the AC and heat. Notably, there is no rust, indicating it's in very good shape for its age, and the interior is also in good condition. Under the hood, it boasts performance upgrades including a high-rise intake, a thumper comp cam, and an Edelbrock carburetor. The owner has diligently kept paperwork for all modifications and maintenance performed on the truck. Recent work includes a new master cylinder. While it runs and drives, the truck does require a little tender loving care. Specifically, it needs rear brake work and struggles to stay idling when put into gear.
Number 2.
1984 Ford F250, price $8,000. This Ford is a great truck with 95,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and is powered by a 6.9 IDI diesel engine enhanced with a Banks Gen 1 turbo kit. The exterior is a classic tan, complemented by a brown interior. The current owner has had this truck for about a year and praises its reliability, driving it as much as possible. As an original California truck, it boasts no rot, a significant advantage, and is pre-smog. While the truck isn't perfect and shows some minor wear consistent with its age, it's remarkably straight and a consistent runner that starts every time. Due to owning 2 trucks, the seller is looking to part with this one.
Number 3.
1997 Ford F150, price $4,500. This is a dependable truck with 185,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a striking black exterior, and a practical gray interior. Powered by a 4.6L V8 engine that, despite its mileage, still has plenty of life left, this F-150 runs and drives amazingly, offering a smooth, strong, and dependable performance.
It boasts a clean history of regular maintenance, contributing to its reliability.
The truck features a solid body with no major rust or damage, indicating it has been well preserved.
Equipped with good tires and brakes, it is ready for the road.
This 1997 Ford F-150 comes with a clean title in hand, making it an excellent option for anyone in need of a dependable daily driver, a solid work truck, or a classic to maintain and enjoy for years to come.
Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,800. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful V8 454 engine with 4-wheel drive, making it a capable and versatile truck. It is currently registered and has recently passed its smog inspection.
This truck has had only one owner and comes with a clean title.
Comfort features like the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, and it is equipped with brand new tires. The vehicle has a commendable history of being never abused and was largely garage kept for most of its life. Furthermore, it has never transported pets nor been smoked in, indicating a very well-preserved interior, though the specific interior color was not provided. The seller has meticulously kept all receipts and even the original window sticker, offering a comprehensive history of the truck. Reportedly, everything works as it should, with absolutely no problems, and it runs and drives great.
Number 5.
1981 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500, featuring a manual transmission and a classic white exterior. Under the hood, it is powered by a 292 inline-6 engine paired with an SM465 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs amazingly well and cruises smoothly, proving itself capable of driving anywhere at any time. Prospective buyers should note that while it's a dependable runner, it is an older truck and should not be expected to be a show vehicle. This Chevrolet 2500 has seen significant recent investment in parts, with less than 1,000 miles on several key components. These include new 10-ply tires with a fresh alignment, new tie rod ends, pitman arm, and idler arm. A new steering box, power steering pump, and smog delete kit have also been installed, alongside a new starter.
Number 6.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,800, showing 116,000 miles on its odometer. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, making for an easy and comfortable driving experience. The truck boasts a classic white exterior, which is nicely complemented by a warm tan interior, creating a timeless aesthetic. Under the hood, this Sierra is powered by a reliable V8 engine, ensuring strong performance for various tasks. The seller confirms that the truck runs and drives great, suggesting it's ready for its next owner. Adding to its appeal, it has been tastefully lowered 2 to 4, giving it a more aggressive and customized stance. This vehicle comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind to the buyer. As an original Arizona truck, it has likely benefited from a drier climate, which often helps preserve vehicles from rust and corrosion. A minor cosmetic detail to note is a visible ring around the back window, as typically seen in pictures, likely from a previously installed camper shell.
Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 235,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. It presents with a striking red exterior and a black interior, running on gasoline. This truck has a few considerations, notably a check engine light for a P0430 code, and it is in need of a fresh paint job. However, it boasts numerous advantages. It comes with a clean title and the pink slip in hand, with its tags valid until October 2025.
It successfully passed smog in October 2024.
The truck is powered by a healthy 4.3L V6 engine, which, despite the mileage, performs well. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the tow/haul mode is fully functional. Comfort is assured with ice-cold AC and a hot heater, making it suitable for various climates.
Number 8.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. This truck is a well-maintained and reliable pickup, making it an appealing option for its next owner. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind. A significant highlight of this truck is that its engine was rebuilt at 170,000 miles, suggesting it's ready for many more miles of dependable service. The current owner is only the second owner, and they've given the truck very little use, indicating it hasn't been heavily worked since the rebuild. Owners can expect a smooth and enjoyable experience, as the truck runs great, sounds, and drives smoothly. To further ensure its reliability and performance, it has been recently fitted with a new battery and a brand new exhaust system.
Number 9.
1994 GMC 1500, price $4,995. It features a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck presents a cohesive aesthetic with its matching blue exterior and blue interior, equipped with a practical 6-foot bed that includes a bedliner, a toolbox, and a lumbar rack. This GMC is ready for work or hauling.
It also boasts a newer stereo for an updated in-cabin experience.
According to the owner, this truck runs like a top, indicating excellent mechanical condition. It has been diligently maintained over the years, with recent servicing that included the installation of new spark plugs, new leads, a new fuel pump, and a front lift. While it's mechanically sound, a fresh paint job would further enhance its appearance.
Number 10.
1979 Ford F100, price $9,500. This Ford is a compelling project truck, featuring an automatic transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a matching black interior. It runs on gasoline. Significant work has already gone into this vehicle, particularly with its braking system.
It boasts an entirely new braking system, with the rear brakes converted to discs, and it includes a new booster. The truck has a customized stance, lowered 3 inches in the rear and 2 inches in the front.
A new radiator has been installed, ensuring efficient cooling. Critically, the engine, transmission, and air conditioning are all reported to be in excellent working order.